Welcome to the Project Palace. Finally going to get crack-a-lacking on this 12 valve build. It's been a while. It's been months. It's been months since I've been out here. I feel like all of February I've done nothing in Connecticut besides plow snow and throw salt. Usually the winter time's my time to work on this thing. Sorry, I'm got a new gimbal that I'm working with and gonna see what I can do with it. Anyways, so today I got a couple of goals. The first one being get this fuel tank cleaned out. Wait until you see what is in this. It is gross. Gross. I don't even know how this thing ran before I got it. Anyways, there's that. I want to get the fuel tank cleaned. I got a part to put on it to upgrade this fuel tank, fuel system, and I want to get it back in the frame. Let's do it. Here's the fuel tank sending unit. I've already had this out. Obviously, you can see the top's undone. And I already alerted you to what we're gonna find in this thing. But anyways, let me just show you guys. Because it is gnarly. Now the first time I pulled this thing out, there was a jellyfish looking goober hanging off of that fuel level float. So for you, those of you that don't know, okay, this is where the fuel sits down in your fuel tank like this, right? This is the bottom. This is a screen. See that? Look at the crap that is on the outside, the sludge. I don't know how this thing was getting fuel. Most of all those chips and holes in that sludge, I did. So I gotta clean that up. But the biggest thing is, let me see if I can't get you a shot. Inside the tank, there is a ton of crap still. A ton. So, sorry about the wood stove. Like I said, it's freezing here. I'm gonna try and get you guys a shot if I can of what is down in that. Look at that. Will it focus for me? Is it gonna focus? A little bit. But there is crap all over that. I don't want to stick my phone down in there. If you know me, I'll most likely, there we go, there's a good shot, end up dropping it. All right, so I decided to be courageous and dip my phone down in here and just take a shot because I'm gonna have to go. Look at that. Gonna have to take this thing outside and hose this stuff out. That's gnarly. All right, well, moving along, let's say, something just, to me, doesn't feel good about cutting a 3-inch hole in the bottom of your fuel tank, which, hey, I guess you got to do what you got to do, right? So, that's it right there. Let's dump this thing out and see what we get down in here. You can see that's what we're starting with right there. That's just some black stuff. Chunks of plastic that flew off when that fuel's from the filter when I dumped the filter out. I wanted to see what the fuel looked like, and it came out clean. But let's dump this tank out, and I'm going to show you what we're dealing with in there. And then we're going to have to spray this thing out and just really get in everywhere because, well, you'll see. I had to grab the phone. I had to try and show you guys. Look at that. Ugh. I got a funny feeling. I've been thinking a lot about this. And so I have this, the fuel tank. I have it flipped over the 5-gallon pail right now, draining into that. You see how black it is down there? I'm going to show you guys at the end of it. But anyways, it is gross. So gross. So absolutely gross. And I don't know how I'm going to get all this crap out of there. Stay tuned. Okay. It's freezing out here right now. I mean, it is cold. Wind chill, I can't even tell you. I'm pressure washing my tank, the inside and the outside, just so I can get it cleaned up to get this sump on. And, oh, let me tell you, it never ceases to amaze me. This is what I just dumped out of my tank. Can you see that? That's a dead mouse. Or a rat. I don't know. Looks like a mouse. It's not too big. Oh, that's gross. Well, so keep moving forward. Okay. Well, that mouse got evicted. All right, I've been out here working on this, and it's looking much better. That's cleaned up. Screen's looking good. Those are all the junk parts that are going to get tossed. We don't need those anymore. Those draw straws, return straws. See you later. We're going a different route. I have, what do I use on that? I use brake clean, carb clean. Honestly, the best thing I used in the end was compressed air. Blew most of it off, just cleaned it up a little bit with the brake clean, that screen, that whole canister. The metal parts got put in the blast cabinet. Clean those up. So that's just bare steel right there that I hit with some WD so it didn't get any surface rust before I get this back in the tank. In the tank. Let's see if you guys can look in there. It's about as good of a shot as I'm going to get. Much cleaner, no mouse guts, no jellyfish, no rust particles, no dirt, nothing but water right now, which I'll dry out, and that's that. All right, everybody, my project people, that's the video number 1 of my vlog. Hopefully you liked it and enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. There's more coming. It's not just gonna be 12-valve content. I got a lot of things going on. I have a landscaping business, so some of that's gonna be associated with the channel, I think, and got some cars, some other projects, some house projects, all kinds of projects. Project Pat in the house. So welcome to the vlog. Like I said, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Next time you're with me, I think we're going to have to go in the house, order some parts. So we'll get those in, we'll get the sump in, we'll get the tank up where I wanted to. Like I thought I was going to do in the beginning of this video. I thought I'd be ending it with that, but as normal, I didn't make it that far.